Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to activate a Visa gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to activate a Visa gift card, it is really simple and easy. So do follow these steps. First of all, locate the activation instructions on the card packaging or back of the card. For this, you need to tear this packaging right off. So once you're going to tear this off, you can get a card inside this packet. Now, if a security code is required, carefully scratch off the protective layer to reveal it. Then, either visit the specified website or call the toll-free number provided to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Once the input is done, you need to confirm the activation. You need to simply follow on the website or phone system to confirm the activation. And once activated, the card will be ready for use. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.